Hello everyone, here is a video about overpackaging. But do you know what is it? Overpackaging is the excessive packaging of consumer product. You can see here in the picture that the packaging is excessive. Carrots in a large plastic or bucket of biscuits packed in a pair and then ending up in a cardboard box, when in fact there's no need for all this plastic. This overpackaging is useless. But why is there so much overpackaging? Quite simply, to protect the product itself, to make a visual impact, and also to facilitate the transport of this product. Overpackaging doesn't add value to the product, but it rather provides convenience to consumers. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of overpackaging. First of all, it is expensive. About 20% of the cost of the product in the food industry comes from overpackaging. In luxury products such as perfume, this rises to 65%. As you can see on the picture, the bottle and the lotion body are put in a box, but once again, it's only for visual comfort. Secondly, it's not ecological because there is an excess of production. We need more raw materials and therefore deterioration of the planet. For example, when we pack with cardboard, we need paper and therefore trees, so we affect the planet. Not everything can be recycled. In Belgium, only 30 to 35% of plastic is recycled to make something else. That is what we call revalorization. Last week, we went to Lisboa and saw artists who used plastic for their artwork. That, that's what you can see on the photo with the cat. It's an example of revalorization. Moreover, it is not environmentally friendly because the waste is thrown away in the ocean, for example, as we can see here. Finally, the last disadvantage is that overpackaging is bad for health. Some people say that plastic has a negative impact on health. It can cause, among other things, endocrine disruption, increase of risk of cancer, and respiratory problems. You can see from the picture that water in a plastic bottle contains microplastic and that those are swallowed when drinking. Finally, we have done some research in order to find some solution to this overpackaging. First of all, we could favor purchase of family size. For example, here with the rice, instead of buying the one with the bag, take the one with cardboard only to avoid the extra plastic. Another solution is to avoid buying plastic bottle and prefer to drink tap water with a water bottle at hand. Use reusable bag or basket. Since 2016 in Wallonia, the sale of plastic bag has been banned, and the same has been true in Brussels since 2017. We can also note that Wallonia is one of the precursors in this matter. Here are the reasons for this restriction. To meet the European requirement of 2015, to protect the environment because it takes 1 second to produce a plastic bag, but 100 to 400 years to degrade, and all this only for an average use of 20 minutes. Another possibility is to go and buy in bulk shop, but do you know what bulk shop are? Bulk shop means selling consumer products without packaging, the quantity of which is chosen by the consumer himself in reusable containers. In Belgium, this is slowly starting to develop in supermarket, but is nothing compared to our French neighbors. In Commune, we have a bulk shop called A Table.